Hi guys, today we will talk about how to enable Alexa on your Amazon shipping. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Amazon shipping. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on this mark here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on settings and it's going to show for your window like this, and you click here on Alexa here and it's going to take you to next window. Then you come here to enable Alexa, you will click here, then it's going to, so you click here on agree, enable microphone here, so you just click and use here while using the app, and it's going to enable with you on your Amazon shipping. So that's all you have to do to enable Alexa on your Amazon shipping. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.